Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are doing some cleaning with the help of Polo, Rocco, and my husband. You guys, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. I hate cleaning, but I love when everything is clean, so I get it done. My mom always had things clean when we were kids, and for some reason, I did not inherit that from her to keep things clean as much and as good as she did, but I do my best and my husband helps a lot, so we do okay. Here I'm doing some ghetto vacuuming. Our last vacuum cleaner broke and we have not replaced it. I'm waiting for Black Friday, so till then, this does the trick. Now, this next thing is definitely something that I did inherit from my mom. I would always see her cleaning the walls at home, and now I am big on cleaning my own walls, and anytime I go somewhere, I can't help but notice the walls. You guys look around the walls at places you go, they are so dirty. People's houses, the walls in their houses, and baseboards, things like that. I notice all that because of my mom. So thank you, Mom. Like I said, shout out to my husband. He is such a huge help when it comes to keeping things clean. I greatly appreciate him. We usually always work as a team when it comes to getting stuff done. I mean, very much a team in all aspects. We both work, so we both take care of the house, the dogs, and things like that. And that is going to wrap up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this different kind of video for my channel. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you soon in some more videos. Bye.